Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best cake nozzle is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any baker, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the wonderful world of cake decorating. This seemingly simple attachment can transform a plain cake into a stunning masterpiece, allowing you to create intricate designs, beautiful borders, and delicate rosettes with ease, adding that professional touch that wows your friends and family. Mastering the art of cake piping with the right nozzle can elevate your baking game significantly, making every celebration a little sweeter and a lot more visually appealing. Number 5. RFAQK 74 PC's Icing Piping Bags and Tips Set. Unsure about cake decorating tools? This comprehensive set has everything you need to start creating stunning cakes like a professional. It includes 48 numbered icing tips with a helpful ebook and booklet to guide you. Discover a fantastic collection of 48 cake decorating tips crafted from durable 304 stainless steel. Explore various styles to create diverse and beautiful designs that will impress. Perfect for both beginners and experts, this set features numbered tips with a pattern chart. Easily select the right tip for your desired decoration, making your baking experience a breeze. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This icing bags and tips set is an ideal choice for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays, making it perfect for bakers of all levels. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, we'll resolve any issues within 24 hours. Your baking success is our priority. What we like? This set is perfect for beginners with its 48 numbered tips and accompanying pattern booklet. If you're just starting out and want clear guidance on which tip creates which design, this is the ideal choice. It makes learning cake decorating much less intimidating and more enjoyable. What people say. The 48 numbered piping tips are sturdy, well-made, and easy to use. The piping bags are thick and didn't burst, even with stiff buttercream. I like the storage box and extra tools. It keeps everything organized. Great quality piping kit all fabulously packed in. Great size, easy to use and large variety of nozzles. Ci sono tantissimi beccucci di vari tipologie e dimensioni. Tutto il kit si può riporre nella valigetta in dotazione, che si può dividere a proprio piacimento. In più arriva anche un piccolo libretto illustrato, che aiuta a capire lo fermi dei beccucci e il loro utilizzo. E uno scovolino per pulire che ho trovato comodissimo. Number 4. 44-piece stainless steel icing nozzle set. Elevate your baking with this comprehensive 44-piece set. It includes everything you need to create stunning edible art. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel with seamless welding, these tools are built to last. They are perfect for both beginners and seasoned decorators. From intricate scrollwork and beautiful flowers to elegant edges, this set handles it all. Decorate cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and more with ease. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This decorating set is ideal for anyone who loves to bake. Share the joy of creating delicious memories together. Designed for convenience, these tools are lightweight, reusable, and incredibly easy to clean. Enjoy hassle-free decorating and cleanup. We are confident you'll love this set. If you have any issues, please contact us for a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. What we like? With 25 different stainless steel nozzles, including 5 large ones, this set offers great versatility for various decorating needs. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that can handle both intricate details and bolder designs, this is a solid option. It's suitable for both home bakers and professionals. What people say. The cake nozzle is made of stainless steel, which is durable and rust-resistant. It comes with a variety of tips, allowing for different decorating styles. The seamless design makes it easy to clean and prevents frosting from leaking. Number 3. Suuker Fondant Rose Piping Tip Set, 7 pieces. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these tips are perfect for decorating a wide variety of desserts, from cupcakes and cakes to breads and cookies. This professional-grade 7-piece decorating kit is designed to help you beautifully color and adorn your cakes, cookies, and other baked goods. These practical tools are designed for ease of use, whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner baking enthusiast looking to create stunning DIY desserts. With 7 interchangeable tips, you can effortlessly create a variety of intricate patterns on your cakes, making your creations both delicious and visually appealing. Surprise the baking enthusiast in your life with this versatile set. It's a guaranteed way to bring a smile to their face, no matter the celebration. What we like. This compact set of 7 stainless steel piping tips is perfect for those who want quality without a huge collection. If you're a baking enthusiast who enjoys DIY projects and needs reliable tools for everyday decorating, this is a great choice. It's practical for making beautiful desserts with ease. What people say. Really nice thick quality piping tips. They are perfect for piping larger roses and flowers. They're true to the photos and good quality. Number 2. YLYL 47 PCS Russian Piping Tip Set. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to start decorating cakes, cupcakes, and cookies. You'll find a variety of nozzles, bags, and couplers to bring your sweet creations to life. Craft beautiful, realistic flowers with our diverse range of frosting tips. Designed with smooth edges, these nozzles ensure your piped flowers hold their shape perfectly every time. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This decorating set is ideal for beginners and experienced bakers alike, making it a wonderful present for any occasion. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, these tips are built to last and are completely safe for you and your family to use with food. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with your decorating set, please reach out to us, and we'll be happy to assist you. What we like. This set specializes in beautiful, diverse flower frosting tips, perfect for creating stunning floral designs. If you love making elaborate floral decorations on cakes and cupcakes, this is the set for you. It's designed to help you achieve professional-looking flowers with ease. What people say. They're easy to use and create nice designs quickly. The tips feel sturdy and work great with buttercream. This 47-piece Russian piping tip set is a dream for anyone who loves buttercream flowers. As a professional baker and cake decorating instructor, I've used many types of tips over the years, and this set offers incredible variety, perfect for both beginners and experienced decorators alike. The set includes everything you need to get started, from large floral tips that pipe full blooms in one squeeze, to leaf tips, couplers, and even piping bags. The different flower designs are all beautifully shaped and create instant texture and dimension on cakes and cupcakes. They're easy to use and great for teaching. Build quality is solid. The tips are made of stainless steel, feel durable, and clean up easily. I've used them with both standard piping bags and reusable silicone bags, and they work great with either. The storage case also makes it easy to keep them all organized. Number 1. Piping Bags and Tip Set, 50 PCS Cake Decorating Supplies Kit. Discover a comprehensive set designed to elevate your baking creations. This kit includes a variety of numbered pastry nozzles and tips, perfect for decorating cakes and cupcakes with ease. Crafted from food-grade safe materials, this set ensures a secure and enjoyable baking experience for everyone. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and suitable for both adults and children. Designed for convenience, it supports various icing tips and allows for easy switching of couplers. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find it simple to create stunning desserts. From intricate scrollwork and lettering to beautiful flowers and edges, the possibilities are endless. Decorate cheesecakes, cupcakes, cookies, and more with professional flair. This complete decorating set comes with all the must-have accessories. Share the fun of decorating cakes and cookies with your friends and family. Inside, you'll find numbered nozzles, medium tips, special tips, couplers, scrapers, reusable and disposable bags, a cleaning brush, ties, and a helpful pattern chart. What we like. This extensive kit comes with 50 pieces, including 19 numbered pastry nozzles and helpful icing scrapers. If you want a complete decorating solution with all the essential tools for various cakes and cookies, this is an excellent value. It's perfect for anyone looking to have a wide array of decorating options at their fingertips. What people say. The cake nozzle is made of stainless steel, which is durable and rust-resistant. It comes with a variety of tips, allowing for different decorating styles. The nozzle is easy to clean and maintain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.